Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Writesonic AI. So let's dive into it. So first thing first, look for the browser. You can use any browser that you like. You can use Safari or your Chrome or Firefox. For today, I'm using Safari. Now go to the address bar, type in writesonic.com, the official website of Writesonic. Now this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you log into official website of Writesonic. You can hover over to see other features of Writesonic AI. Now first thing you need to do is sign in to Writesonic AI. You can use a Google account or your Apple ID or your business email. For now I'm using business email. Now you can sign in with OTP or with your password or with SSO. For now I'm using password, so I'm gonna click on it. Now put the password that you have set. This is the interface that you'll see as soon as you sign into Writesonic AI. Now to log out, you can see the profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now from a drop down menu, you can see logout option at the end of the menu. Click on it. So now you have logged out successfully. So now we have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked our video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.